Losing a loved one is painful. But during such difficult times, getting timely financial support shouldn't be. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to file a death claim with LIC, what documents are needed, how long it takes, and how to avoid common mistakes that delay or reject claims. Let's make this simple for the people who matter most. This video is divided into 4 clear parts. Jump to the section you need using the timestamps below. 1. Documents required. 2. Timeline and real-life delays. 3. Common reasons for rejection. 4. Tips to ensure a smooth claim process. Let's begin with the documents you'll need to submit to LIC. 1. Claim Form A. This is the claimant's statement. Get it from your LIC branch or download it from licindia.in. 2. Original death certificate from municipal authorities or village panchayat. 3. Original policy bond. 4. Identity and address proof of the nominee Aadhaar, PAN, etc. 5. Bank passbook copy cancelled check for NEFT transfer of claim amount. 6. Title evidence only needed if no nominee is registered. But wait, if the death happened within the first 3 years of the policy or after a revival, extra documents will be required for investigation. Medical reports Forms B, B1, B2. Burial or cremation certificate Form C. Employer certificate Form E. FIR, post-mortem report, police report in case of accidental or unnatural death. So, how long does LIC take to settle a death claim? If all documents are proper and verified, claims are usually settled within days. But here's where real-life delays happen. Missing nominee or incorrect details. Incomplete documents. Investigation for early claims. Accidental death with no FIR or proof. Before we move forward, let's talk about one of the most important and most ignored aspects of any LIC policy: nomination. A proper nomination ensures that the claim amount goes directly to the right person, smoothly, quickly, without legal delays. But what if there's no nominee? Or the nominee has passed away before the policyholder? If nominee is not registered or is no more? In such cases, the claim becomes what LIC calls legal evidence claim, and more documentation will be needed. Documents required in such cases. 1. Succession certificate. Issued by a court to confirm legal heirs. 2. Legal heirship certificate. Surviving members certificate. Shows who are the living heirs. Issued by local authority or tehsildar. 3. Indemnity bond, if allowed. LIC may accept this in low-value claims, usually below 100,000 rupees, signed with sureties. 4. No objection certificates, NOC. From other legal heirs, if one person is claiming on behalf of all. The process is longer and emotionally draining, especially when family members don't agree on who should get what. That's why we strongly advise always register a nominee and update it if they pass away or if relationships change. Final thought. It takes 2 minutes to update your nominee, but it can save your family from months, even years, of paperwork and stress. Unfortunately, not all claims get approved. Top reasons for rejection. Policyholder did not disclose health issues at the time of proposal. Death occurred during lapsed policy. Wrong or incomplete nominee details. Claimant not able to prove relationship. Fraudulent claims or false documents. Rejection doesn't just mean lost money, it means a broken promise. Let's avoid that. Here's what you can do right now to ensure a future claim, if ever needed, gets approved without hassle. Always keep nominee details updated. Pay premiums regularly, even during grace period. Inform your family where the policy bond is kept. Maintain medical records and accident reports properly. Write the policy number in a safe place with bank and contact info. And if you face a claim delay or rejection, don't lose hope. LIC has zonal and central claims review committees with retired judges. You can also approach the insurance ombudsman. It's free and fair. As of now, most LIC death claims are filed at the branch. But you can download all forms online and begin the process smartly. Insurance is a promise. And in moments of loss, that promise should not become a process full of pain. With the right guidance and the right documents, you can claim what's truly yours with peace of mind. Use the Smart All-in-One Calculator app to get your LIC policy details organized. Like, share, and subscribe to Insurance Funda for more expert insights. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update that matters.